The club has got two new Makey Makeys to create new ways to interface with our computers. When you open the Makey Makey kit, you've got a board and a USB cable to connect it to a computer, and loads of wires and crocodile clips to connect the Makey Makey to the outside world. Here we are connecting it to the Raspberry Pi, and we've made a very simple test using a piece of paper with some shape drawn in pencil, and the graphite will conduct electricity, so will let us interface with the Makey Makey just by touching those shapes on paper. And here we go, you're on. Make him jump.
Jump.
Here's a little test with a simple program done in Scratch, and you can see it being controlled with Makey Makey. I hope you'll join the club and create a new interface with all this kit.